Welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you guys are joining me today. And nothing surprised me coming out of New York City. That entire city must be corrupt. Every government official in that city probably needs to be thrown in prison for some crime that they've committed through the way that they just utilize their power in order to advance their careers, advance their wealth, and advance whatever else of their things that they need to advance in. And this is what we have here. We have the NYC AG, Lolita James, Peekaboo James, saying they're threatening the Supreme Court, telling them not to allow them to jail Trump because it would be a danger to democracy. Who does she think she is, telling the Supreme Court they better not? That's a threat. That is a threat to the Supreme Court. It's a threat to democracy, as the Democrats would like to say. This woman needs to probably put in prison for the numerous crimes that she, if you guys don't know, she's also was coordinating with the White House in order to use this lawfare against Trump back when this whole thing with the Stormy Daniels thing was going on. She actually had meetings inside the White House with White House counsels in order to try to put together a lawfare plan that would get Trump in order to try to jail him before the elections. And here we are. Lolita James is doing exactly that. Let's take a look at this article coming to us from the Gateway Pundit. And it says, Marxist New York AG Lolita James threatens the Supreme Court, demands they do not look at Trump's sham hush money case. That's right. They're saying, better not look at it. Better not look at it. What we're trying to do here, AG James has warned the Supreme Court not to intervene in the sham of the hush money case against Trump. Her warning comes after the Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey, a Republican, petitioned the Supreme Court for permission to file a complaint against the state of New York that would delay Trump's September sentencing hearing and lift all his speech restrictions on the case. Bailey argued that these restrictions represent an infringement on the right of Missourians to hear from the prospective presidential candidates. James, who played an integral role in Trump's sham conviction over the hush money payments made to Stormy Daniels, has urged the Supreme Court to reject his request. In a legally filing, James said in the Supreme Court ruling in Trump's favor would seriously undermine the integrity of the courts and risk setting a dangerous precedent that encourages a flood of similar litigation. Allowing Missouri to file this suit for such relief against New York would permit an extraordinary and dangerous end run around former President Trump's ongoing state court proceeding and the statutory limitations of the court's jurisdiction to review the state's court's decision, she wrote. The potential sentence and the speech restrictions may prove no obstacle to the interests of the people who wish to hear from the former president, James continued. Yeah. She is absolutely a corrupt official. She is a Marxist. She's a commie. She's someone who is currently campaigning along with Kamala Harris for her. So obviously it's all political. It's all witch hunt. It's all of these things that we are seeing take place right now with AG James and the Democrat Party using their lawfare in order to try to damage Trump. And of course, with this upcoming election, the Democrats use sneaky efforts in order to bypass a primary that would have put Kamala Harris head-to-head against other Democrat candidates who were maybe seeking to run for president if they did not run behind a sham that Joe Biden was A-OK, and in order to circumvent the voters of the Democrat Party to go ahead and select their nominee instead of allowing the Democrat voters to doing it. The party bosses did. And of course, this is a result of it. People, for the party that screams democracy, they sure do not like democracy. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Of course, you guys can follow me on all my social media, all linked in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.